Ooma is expanding its home security system and it has some new sensors. The Ooma home security system has been on the market for about a year. One of the nice things about it is that it ties into the company's existing IP telephony gateway. So if you're already getting phone service from Ooma, you don't need any extra home hub devices. The sensor family now includes a smoke detector, a motion sensor, an alarm, a garage door sensor, and a water sensor. The company also recently acquired Butterfly, which makes a video camera. That's going to be added to the sensor lineup soon too. There's also, of course, a door and window sensor. One of the special features of the Ooma system is a remote 911 service. That means that if something's going on at your house and you're away from home, it's the system itself that dials the emergency services. That's all thanks to this IP telephony tie-in that it has. The advantage there means that the emergency services will trace the callers coming from your house, and that'll enable them to respond quicker. Otherwise, they'll be tracing a call back to your cell phone, and if you're somewhere else in the world, that really could delay response. The sensors cost between $25 and $60. The home base station is $100, and the video camera will cost $200. All of the new sensors and the video camera will be on the market shortly.